morning, everyone. Let's do a basic facial setup. First, we're going to bring out this piece of paper that I use. It's a dental bib. Next, we're going to rummage through my drawers and find a couple of spatulas that I use to scoop out products. Next, of course, some 4x4 gauze for extractions or sometimes for covering the eyes. Also, disposable lip wands to apply your lip treatment or your lip balm afterwards. Very soft fan brush used to apply masks, or sometimes I like to use them for my cleanser application. Another fan brush. This time these bristles are a little bit thicker, great for thick masks. Disposable sponges to remove our first cleanse. And of course, a gold dish. This is where I use to put my masks in or my peels. And then a little cute ceramic dish. Another vessel for masks. Masks is really hard to say whispering, I found out. This is a bowl that I use for water, and I'll drop my sponges in there after I have some nice hot water inside. The sponges will expand. And that's the Dragonfly Classic facial setup.